We knew he was going to get flack by the Western world saying, "What are you doing? Making them dance when couples mele." Our manao as Hawaiians, if we don't teach our kids how to respect one another as kane and wahine, who will? What better way for our opio to know the kane and wahine through hula, because their spirits will connect before they physically connect. So I tell the opio that it doesn't mean that this mele you're searching for your loved one, like in a relationship. You could be searching for the loved ones of one who passed, like your mama, or perhaps your dad. Our children, a Queen Lili Uokalani Children's Center, have unfortunate breaks, but we as makua can malama them to know that I can be there for you. So be there, makua, for your opio, so we can change the status. See, our aina moko keave, we have the highest teenage suicide rates. But if we don't teach our kids who they are and where they come from, how are they going to have the desire to go on and know where they're going? So the key is, he Hawaiiao. This next mele is sung by your own Napua grade, but the original mele was written by our Queen Lili Uokalani. It wasn't until Charles E. King came and changed the words up a bit, which they do, to fit the medley of this mele. It's in search of your loved ones. Whether it be the one that you love, it can be your parents, it could be your grandparents that raised you, but they're no longer here. I tell our opio, they're always here. Physically, I'm here for you, but spiritually, your kupuna is with you. So I call out to Molokai, oh, Malamarakeki. They are our future. Give them something to live for. He Hawaiiao, maua a mau.
Imi au